Add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour into the mixing bowl. You can use gluten-free flour if you want. Next is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. This is optional. You can add 1/4 cup of oats into your pancakes. After that, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You won't really taste the apple cider in the pancakes. This will make your pancakes fluffy. 2 to 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. In the same mixing bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of non-dairy milk. I prefer using oat milk, but you can use any milk you want. Add 1/4 cup of water into the mixing bowl. Using a spoon, mix all of the ingredients together. Turn on the stove to medium heat. Grease the pan with butter or cooking spray. Add the desired amount of pancake mix onto the pan. Cook on each side about 2 to 3 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. That is how you make vegan pancakes. Enjoy!